Hello students now once again I am with you. So students, last day we were discussing about democracy. That means what is democracy, why democracy, and today also we will discuss related democracy and related these sub points. That means today we are going to know students what has been against in democracy. That means what is bad, what is not good under the democracy. That means so today we are going to know some against argument under the democracy. So students, now when we try to discuss on this topic, then first we should be know that instability also present under the democracy. It is the against of the public. So how can you say? So students, actually under the democracy, leaders and political parties keep changing in time to time without any alternative reason. So that some instability may come under the democracy. And other important point when we going to understand what is the against. So students, it is the agile low morality. Under the democratic system, morality not you find out under the place, because in democratic all parties has been different type of competitions to their power and dignity also you can say. So students, there how can you feel scope of the morality? So students, other important point also we try to understand, it is the delay of decision making, because all major decision may come from the parliament discussion, legislature, court, high court, supreme court, district court, and students, other point also which is against in a democracy, that is a bad decision also you can say. There has been taken different type of long procedure, and so in the long procedure students, decision also will be something bad, because after discussing how they can give the right and best decision students, and so the important point also which is against under the democracy, that is a corruption. Corruption also take a place in the democratic system. You may find out, because any decision may come after so many long time. Under these times, different types of corruption may be present under the place, because in the democratic system, electoral competitions, so it's lead different type of corruption students, and many political parties have a muscles such as power to make themselves in the position. So many type of point which you can say as a against under the democracy. Now students, we are going to understand some other point related to the democracy. It is the differences between democracy and non-democracy. We will going to understand what is difference between democratic government, democratic system and non-democratic system. So in here we will understand that under the democratic election, all citizens have a one vote with equal value. All persons have a power, one vote, and all votes value is also same. But in non-democratic system, all citizens never have a right to vote students. And other matter, in democratic government, election are held at the regular duration, regular timing system. But in students in the non-democratic governments, elections are not going to held in the regular time, and they are taking as a self-memorandum system, other changing constitution, such as called as a non-democratic system. It is the differences between both, and in democratic system, free and fair election also should be there. But in non-democratic students, there is no transparent there. There will be many type of corruption under the election also. So students, now we going to understand some other point related to the democratic system, that is the difference between democratic and good democracy. Which government you can say as a democratic government and which government you can say best democratic system. So students, a democratic government is the government is elected by the peoples. And students, the good democratic government is the government which government is elected by the people and they also take a part of the decision. All type of decision they has been taken by their self. And students, other point, in a democracy, regular election are held, but in good democracy, regular election, free and fair election not going to held in students. And other point also you can discuss on good and bad democratic system. There is political equality in democracy. But students, in simple democratic system, different types of right decision also may become to there. So students, these are differences between good democratic system and bad democratic system, students. Good. Now students, in here if we try to understand, there are some equality, non-equality, economic, social, some also differences may become between good democratic and non-democratic, bad democratic system. Good democratic system would have best decision to all persons, but where democratic system is not best in supportive of the people, there have no power or right to all persons in the decision making and giving the tools. So students, thanks to all of you. Now on next volume we will discuss other thing related this lesson. Thank you very much, students.